Relax. 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 Taking rest, just sitting, eyes closed, comfortable. Breathe gently, stay steady. Aware of exactly that which you are feeling, rest as that sensation. Eyes closed, breathe gently, stay steady, just sitting, settling, grounding. This practice will give to grounding, settling in. Sitting comfortably, Sukhasana. Easy sitting posture. If you'd like to sit, if you'd like to change to sitting, well, let's begin any position that's comfortable. You might be sitting on a chair, perfectly good. Now, this will be a short little session just to complement what we did this morning. Grounding. Sitting, any position that's comfortable. Sitting on a brick is very good, a block, cushion. Inhale, sweep the arms wide and up. You know this. Exhale. Left hand right knee, right hand behind the back. Lift the heart, stretch across the tummy, pivot ribs, chest, shoulder, chin over right shoulder. Drop the chin slightly. Wonderful. Inhale, center, arms up. Exhale. Right hand, left knee, left hand behind the back. Lift the heart, stretch across the tummy, pivot ribs, chest, shoulder, chin over left shoulder. Inhale, center, right arm. Let's take the arms up again. Let's loosen out those shoulders. Exhale, right hand wide, left arm over. Chin up. Inhale, center. Opposite side. Hand down. Reach over. Left hand down, right arm up. Inhale, center, hands behind, roll onto the front of the sit bones, distend the tummy, expand the ribs, lift the heart, lifting your energy levels at every level of the being. As I am breathing here, I am these words. Embody them, embrace them, realize that I am. Here I am sitting tall, and exhale, lengthening forward. Wonderful, lift the heart. Exhale, deepening that forward bend, slowing down, settling. And inhale, come to sitting tall. Now let's take right heel in, touching maybe beneath the pubic bone. Ideal here, if you can sit on a brick, some kind of a brick or a supporter block. Taking left foot into right hand, left knee into left hand. And just cradle. And you might use wrists, forearms, even elbows. Whatever allows you to sit tall and just rock the cradle over and back. Just limbering up the hips a little bit, just a little bit, before we come into Sukhasana. And changing, left heel into the pubic bone, right foot forward, preparing to sit comfortably. Right foot into left hand, right knee into right hand. You might use the wrists, forearms, whatever you use. Lift the sternum high, lift the heart, nice long, slightly extended spine. And release. And now taking left foot wide and right foot under the left knee. So in Sukhasana, the easy sitting posture, the yogis call it, ideally each foot beneath the opposite knee. Hands on the knees, and just lift the heart. And let everything just settle down. If you find this very uncomfortable, you can sit with your back to the wall. That will support you in sitting tall, and the legs can fall away. If it's very uncomfortable with your hips and knees, place some pillows under here. Have a pillow or pillows for your evening practice. Relax. 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 And sitting to meditate, having your palms on your knees like so, it's quite grounding, steadying, and the arms there then allow you to be still and strong and steady as you lift here. Lovely. Let's now simply tuck your thighs in, lift up, and exhale, folding forward. So Pavana Muktasana in an upright position. Tuck in. Inhale, lift up. Let's come to lying down. And be still. Pavana Muktasana, lying down. And then lying down, place each foot beneath the opposite knee. Hands wide at the hips, palms face down. They might even nestle in there under the outer thigh. And drop the body. Long, slow flowing out breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 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 And slowly come back to center, feet together, knees together. Now stretching the right leg long, left foot inside the left knee, just arms wide slightly. Inhale. And very simply, as you exhale, allow that left inner thigh open outward and down towards the ground. If this left inner thigh is very tight, place a cushion beneath the left knee and thigh. If it will open fully out, allow it. You might even nestle your hand in there to support. Reach the right heel away from you, right leg is long, then drop the right leg heavy as the left inner thigh opens outward and down. chin towards the right shoulder. And be still here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and continue so. Slowly bringing the left knee back to center, pointing upward. Stretching left leg long, bend the right knee. Right foot inside the left knee. Inhale. As you exhale, allowing that right inner thigh open outward. Again, you might place a cushion there, a block. You might even place your hand there for some comfort. Or leave the right inner thigh opening outward and down. Drop the body. We're dropping the body now in this practice. Lengthen the left heel away from you. Left leg is long. And allowing the bones of the left leg be heavy. Drop that left leg heavy. Right inner thigh opening out. Releasing out of that right hip joint. Relax. 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 And turning chin towards the left shoulder in the opposite direction to the right leg. Breathing here. Relax, inhale deeply. Inhale. Inhale and continue. Now slowly bending or rolling back onto the right sole of the foot, right knee high, then the left knee, feet firm on the ground. Notice your lower back sinking towards the ground, the mid back firm on the ground. Tuck the chin in so the back of the neck is long. Notice the length of the spine here. Notice the length of the spine. Steady, settling. And bringing soles of both feet together and interlocking fingers above the top of the head. Again, drop the body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and continue. And slowly bringing knees together. Arms wide, rolling onto the left hip, chin right shoulder. Just releasing the spine. Simple. Inhale, center. Exhaling, rolling onto right hip, chin left shoulder. Inhale, center. Lift the feet off the ground. Tuck the thighs. Inhale, forward towards the knees also. And as you exhale, feet down, rolling onto your side. Slowly come back to sitting in any sitting position that's comfortable. Eyes closed, breathe gently, stay steady. Singing. A Taoist poem. Rain comes and birds. Silhouettes against the pearlescent sky respond excitingly in song. They open their throats to heaven's nectar, good timing, and rhyme with the drops. Rain comes and birds. Silhouettes against the pearlescent sky respond excitedly in song. They open their throats to heaven's nectar and rhyme with the drops. All of nature is song, goes the interpretation. Sometimes the song is in a minor key with purple tones that stir the soul, bursting the heart with pent-up emotions. Sometimes it is joyous, full of rich melodies and grand chords that bring electric thrills. Sometimes it descends into strange modes, guttural chants, and obscure dissonances. It is up to each of us to sing as we feel moved by the overall song of life. Do we harmonize with it? Do we sing a counterpoint? Do we purposefully sound discordant tones? Perhaps a student first encountering Tao endeavors to harmonize with it. But that isn't all there is to having a relationship with Tao. Tao gives us the background, the broad circumstances. It is up to us to fit into it, go against it, or even flutter off on oblique angles. Don't look at Tao as one big, inexorable stream in which we float like dead logs. What could that lead to except log jams? No. Let us be like the birds. Who sings when Tao sends them rain. Who know what to do when winter comes. Who embroider the sky with their own unique paths. Who will sing a counterpoint when they need to, who will sing poetry that is discordant when it must be and rhymes when it is proper. Rain comes and birds, silhouettes against the pearlescent sky, respond excitedly in song. They open their throats to heaven's nectar and rhyme with the drops. Thank you, Deng Ming Dao. Daily Meditations. Relax. 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 Sitting, you may choose to lie down and rest. Relax. 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 Where is the mind? Here I am. I rest as I am. I am that I am. Eyes closed, breathe gently, stay steady, aware of exactly that which you are feeling. Rest is that sensation, it could not be any other. Make no effort, hold no intention.